What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Gala. It doesn't really matter. You don't need to see my hair. Sitting at 0.033, we're down 1.8. A little bit of pullback. Market cap 1.23 billion. 24 volume 246 million. So if I hop into the chart, let me just protect my eyes quickly and look extra cool. This is a very deep 2, which increases the likelihood of breaking that low. It doesn't mean it has to happen, which is sitting at 0.030. It just increases when you break the 78.6, but we did push above it. So you need to stay above the 78.6. If we break below it once again, which is sitting at 0.03302, if we break below it again, I do think you'll come lower, potentially down to 0.027. However, if buying pressure steps in, we get some volume, we start to push up, we start to break this resistance here at about 0.03731, then I would look for a straight breakout scenario. But until then, we did break the 78.6. It's a warning sign, so just keep that in mind. All right, gang, looks like we are creating a strong bottom. The only problem is the more you test the level of support, the higher chances you're going to break it. So we've tested it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times already. So if we don't get the bounce here, I do think you'll come down to about 0.027, break that wick before pushing to the upside. However, if we can get that bounce, we break that resistance I showed you at about 0.0369, and we come up to that neckline, then you'll see a straight breakout back to the upside. All right, just be patient. The market's a little bit choppy right now, but things are looking good when you zoom out on the bigger picture. So just chill out and have fun. If you want complete free access to my trade signals, we're in, I believe, 5 trades right now. Giga, Polygon, Solana, Ethereum, I think one more. All you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. Even in North America, you can trade futures. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures, no KYC, no VPN. Take the 30 seconds. You can also get a $200 deposit bonus if you deposit $1,000 into your futures account. However, you don't have to do that to gain access to my group. Just take 30 seconds, sign up, send me an email. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis for many projects. My exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals, as well as you can see exactly what I'm invested in when I'm taking my profits. We have almost 3,000 members in the group. All links down below. Take the 30 seconds, sign up to BITUNIX, send me an email. That's all you have to do. Definitely a $50 to $100 value a month, in my opinion. Completely yours for free with the sign up to BITUNIX. Send me an email. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.